Exploring the Franchi SPAS-12 shotgun, iconic design and functionality. The Franchi SPAS-12 shotgun, a legendary firearm that has left an indelible mark on popular culture. Today, we delve into the design, features, and history of this iconic weapon. Welcome back, fellow enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Franchi SPAS-12 shotgun, a true icon in the world of firearms. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The SPAS-12 is instantly recognizable thanks to its folding stock and futuristic appearance. Designed in Italy by Franchi SPA, this shotgun blends elements of pump action and semi-automatic operation, offering versatility in various shooting scenarios. The folding stock allows for easy storage and transportation, while also providing stability and control during firing. Whether you're in tight quarters or out in the field, the SPAS-12 adapts to your needs. Now, let's talk functionality. One of the most intriguing aspects of the SPAS-12 is its ability to switch between pump action and semi-automatic modes. This versatility allows shooters to adapt to different situations, whether it's close quarters combat or long-range engagements. Switching between modes is as easy as flicking a switch, giving shooters the flexibility they need in dynamic environments. It's no wonder the SPAS-12 has been a favorite among military units and law enforcement agencies around the world. Throughout its history, the SPAS-12 has made its mark in movies, video games, and real-world operations. From Jurassic Park to Call of Duty, its distinct profile and functionality have captured the imagination of audiences everywhere. And there you have it, folks, a brief overview of the Franchi SPAS-12 shotgun. A true icon of firearms design and innovation. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay safe and keep shooting.